Hi, my name is Smith and I want to share with you how to connect our GitHub account with Pycharm. Actually, how to connect a project created in GitHub in our Pycharm. First, let me create a project in Pycharm. Let me create a single project. Let me call this test GitHub. Actually, that's just a name. In a virtual environment here, there's no problem. And just wait for it. Then the idea is create first the project here in Pycharm and set some file, and after enter into my GitHub account in order to create a repository to push that script. Now let's go to the GitHub. So first log in with your account. I have using mine. Let me create a repository here, new repository. Let me create a private one. Let me call this test GitHub. I will delete this, it's private, there is no problem, and that's it. Now let me connect my Pycharm with my GitHub account. I go to the Pycharm, select File, Settings. Well, I increase the font size here, let me increase a little bit more. And Files, Settings, find the version control. This is version control GitHub, and here add account. I have to authorize to Pycharm to access to my GitHub. Authorize GitHub and say some message like this. You can explore what it will be do with your account, and just authorize a JetBrains. Let me confirm using my password. No, thank you. Now come back to the Pycharm. It will be appear here. And wait, we have other options here that we can explore. So that's okay for this. Now I have to create my repo in the same folder where I have my files using Git init. Using Git init and copy here in the terminal. Just copy this, paste, Git init. Great, it's an empty Git repository. Now remember that projects since a few weeks ago in GitHub, the principal branch to develop is called main instead of master. So let me change the name of this. Now let me copy that here. Let me copy that here to rename this. Oh, sorry. Great. Now let me add that file. In this case, just main. Then let me do the first commit. It's just to know to follow the instructions there in the page of GitHub. So let me search first commit. Oh, I got to change this with using double quotes. Double quote here, double quote here, enter, great. Now change the name of this, change the name of the principal branch for development, and finally add the remote origin. Remote origin is this, copy and paste, and just to follow the instruction here, let me copy the last instruction that is pushed to the server, and push my file, and it will be appear here when I reload. Great, I have my first commit here. Now if I close this project and open it again, now let me change the file. Let me first do Pycharm, here's something like something, and you will check how your file will appear in another color. In this case, appear in blue color. Actually, if I add a file, let me add a single file, some text file. Do you want to add the following file? Yes. Now the following files that you will be add or your project will be appear something like this. If you want to add that on your project in Git, you can add or cancel. If you cancel, you have to add manually later. So let me add this, and here this is some text. Save this, and you have another color here. Maybe you can see the new file is in green color and the modified file is in blue color. Then great, I changed this. If I right click under my project name, I have this new option that is open on GitHub. Also, you have two new options, like local history and Git. If I put in local history, you can show the history of all the changes on your project, and it appears all the new files and will be added, in this case, when I create my project. And also you have the other one is the Git, where you have the option for GitHub is commit, add new files, git ignore. Then for instance the commit directory. There's the commit directory, and you can commit this file, this new file. Let me put something like changing on printing. There is not the full comment, it's just for demonstration purposes. Okay, I put this. Let me change this. That's, I don't know, print, just print message. This here, save, change printing, test. I will add and commit the test and commit just the main. Actually, I can commit and push directly. Let me do this. Commit and put. Just wait. I will be appear here the information. In this case, from main to main for the files, for the information. If I have some tags, I can use this option to select actually a branch particularly, but that's no problem here. Then I can push or also force push, but push is enough for this. Just two file commit, changing on printing, pushing commit, everything is great. This file, reload the web page. Tell me 1 minute ago, add the test and the new main. And now you can work this very easily using your GitHub project on Pycharm. I think that's everything for now, and I hope that it will be helpful to you. So thank you for watching. Bye.